Hey guys, it's Gwen. I'm so glad you're here. Today I will be doing something a little different than my usual DIY tutorials. I wanted to share some past projects before I started my YouTube channel. These are Valentine related, but they can definitely be used for everyday decor. Let me know what you think. Hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the DIYs that I've done in the past before YouTube. and got some great ideas and inspiration from this video. If you have any questions about any of the projects that I did, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks again for watching. Take care.